Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Hang Out with Amen TV. My name is Enome Owake. I'm now one aka known as Amen TV. Welcome, guys. The weekend is approaching. You get like Saturday is coming so fast. Saturday is kind of like the days, one of those days we go for an event, we go to like one big body. You get. So today I'm going to be talking about Owambe, like categories of people that makes an Owambe. Makes Owambe interesting apart from food. The list is not too long, but there are few. But I'm coming, yeah. So, number one on my list is the gate crashers. Like those people that they need invite. Those ones with their longer they want to eat free food. They will bust the gates, they will enter. If you say, okay, the wedding is strictly for invitation, my dear, you're talking in rubbish, you're talking in nonsense, because those people, they will not listen to you. They are going to enter. And those guys, if your bouncer stop them, it's in trouble. They will go about, they'll be spreading rumors that the wedding was not good, the wedding was not nice, the wedding was not nice, they never share for self. You see those guys, those ones, they are, see, those ones must be there. You grab. Alright, guys, so number two on my list are kind of like the overdressers. Watch out for those people. Those people, they don't have joy. Their joy is to win the award of best dress, best dresser in the event. Those ones, they don't have time for rubbish or nonsense. Those guys, they came to mark attendance. They want everybody to see them. They want everybody to know, yes, so our boys, our girls, one wally. They will come, they will enter. It's from the gates. You'll be sighting them. Those ones, you must surely see them. You must surely see them. You see those ones? Hey. Okay, guys, so the next on my list, number 3 on my list is the FFO/drinkers. So let me talk about the FFO. See the FFO in those ones, is their stomach that makes them happy. Whether the event was nice, whether the event was nice, whether the MC was fun, if they have not eaten, those guys, they will not rest. Like, it's like something, we have not imparted something in their life. Those ones, they will not do anything. And you see these other ones, these ones are worse, drinkers. If they don't see beer, wine, or any shots to do, those guys, they are truth. It's really like they are not drinking water, like as if something is missing from their life. So if you want your wedding to be classified like as the top weddings in Nigeria, make sure there's enough food and enough drink, because these ones, and you will never pass them. Those ones, they are always in an Owambe. Like, nothing they command them for Owambe. They are always there. So guys, let me tell you about this one. This number 4 on my list is the troublemakers. Like, try your best to avoid troublemakers in your events. See, you see those ones, categories, these ones are category 4. You sure those ones, they are red. See, code 9, troublemakers. These ones, they came in form of human beings, but they are sent by devil to destroy your event. It's that time you'll be seeing somebody is fighting in that other end. It's that time your ex will know, It's that time your ex will know you broke her heart, will stand up, want to cause trouble or embarrass your wife or your husband. So you see this one, you say I didn't talk much because I don't like associating myself with trouble. So those ones, just pray you don't meet them. Just pray they don't even come to your home or anything. Just pray. Yes, so you see this one, this was at number 5. They are the gossipers/observers. Observers, you get it? Those ones, they always see. They come. You see, they come and represent their family and their friends. Like now, me, if my friend does not follow me, I can go and observe for her. Then they will come. They're the one that will give you details. They will give their friend details. They won't talk. This is they are taking notes. Jota. They are jotting things down. They want to know what is going on. If hands move, they will know. If cockroach pass, they will know. Those ones are the ones that will come. My guy. The dressing never fine. So you see we see the groom even wear self and the groom don't wear nonsense. Tattered rubbish. The fashion, I never see that kind of fashion in my life. It's a entire life. I never see that kind of fashion. Which kind of fashion be that one? Alright guys, so this one now is in number 6. This one are the vibers. Like the respect I have for all this one saying is beyond me. Those guys, their aim is to make sure that that wedding is a peaceful and enjoyable moment for anybody. You see those, they come and their aim is just to dance, enjoy their life, whether food day, food not day, whether anybody's causing trouble, anybody's not causing trouble. They will come out, they will dance, they will spray MC money, they will do as if it's their wedding because they know the joy it is to be in an own bed. Like those guys, man, those guys, they are really valued. I think we should have international what are they calling? International Vibers Day for those ones. Like those ones, we really appreciate them from their dressing to their talking to their food manners and everything. They are nice. Guys, you see this one say they are not in any category. You see this one saying you can put them first, you can put them last, you can put them in, you can put them anywhere. If this one's come for your whole one day, see, you sure tell your own one is going to be the talk of the town. They are called the Yoruba/Edo demons. These ones they come in gangs. They come with their own bottle. They come with their own smoke, shisha, anything that will turn up this. They will just come for. They will come with it, like as you understand. These guys, they are on a mission to prepare the environment. They are dressing from their head to their toe, their haircut, bam. They are dressing, bam. The way they ever talk to you, hi, my name is Amen. They smile for you, they'll give you bagan. Those they are nice dudes, and they are always very, very important in an human being. Very, very important. See this number 7. These people I don't really like them because these ones they are always in charge of food. These ones are the ones that used to act like deputy Jesus. They used to act like Jesus gave them the authority to do anything they like in that food side. Like I'm the kind of person that I get angry on time. So when you don't give me food, the thing is to vex me. And to give me food now, they will not give you food. They will pass you. They will pass you. They will pass you. They will gotta give another person food. But because I'm not looking too shit, they will be like, this guy does not have aim, does not have anything they want to do in this life. They will not give you food. They want to fight for you for that food, that the small food they give you. You will not eat fast, so you will carry your plate and go. This one's I don't know, but God will help us. Let's be looking. Kashmabu, Abi. Yes, you see this number 8, this one's the sleepers. I don't really have much to say about it. This one's they come to sleep because there's AC. You know they don't have AC in their house and they don't have correct or stand fan their house. They don't have lights that will power their house. Heat want to kill them, heat to drive them to come to somebody's wedding to come and sleep. This one's they will sleep. Yeah. What's up? They like asking questions because they end up sleeping, they end up missing a lot of things. They will start to be asking questions like, the bride don't enter. They don't share food, drink don't pass. As in those guys, they are no ways turned on, their own is turned off. They sleep like just cool and sleepers. They are very terrible, those ones. They are terrible guys. You sure think you will still think you don't have any show. They still make the woman bed, they make it. You see these takeaway people, they are kind of like the last people on my list, and they are called the takeaway people. These ones that will come with any good lie. See the people and the people. We don't fight for food. Well, I fight for food, but some of my gang they don't fight for food. They will wait. You see, they will wait when it's not time for them to now go and collect the food. Is that time you be hearing something like, I know the grandfather. The grandfather said I should bring food though. I will take food. What about my friend now? They will still give. They don't have any interest. So you gotta like just leave us. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I really they really make it fun and all though, but the research is still ongoing. So please don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe. Get subscribe it. If you like the video, click like. At least help my ministry. You know, if I see me like, I'll be like, I'm doing well. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'll catch you guys again. I'll catch you guys again.